All right, so I got my first track day out of the way, and I'm terrible at it. I'm terrible at launching, and let me tell you right now, I've launched plenty of times on the street. I want to be completely honest with you guys, and I want to show you how terrible this experience was, especially since my friend Carl actually pulled on me on his naturally aspirated RCF.
That they have available, I'm sure.
But she's built for the streets, and I kind of got a good taste of that. I'm not exactly sad about this. I love having a challenge. This gives me something to work towards. I met some good people at the track. I'm very, very blessed to have met some of the guys that were out there, and everybody was very supportive. Obviously, I don't have the drag pack on right now, but I did want to tell you guys that the MTSS are excellent on the street. They're absolutely terrible at the track. Everybody that was running the R's was hooking great. I felt like I was skating. Granted, I had a little more power than some of the setups that were there, so maybe it's just me. I do want to show you guys a side-by-side comparison of my street draggies versus my track draggies, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. We're talking about like almost a second of a difference between these times. And I think there's a lot of variables on here, but honestly, I made a lot of changes right before going to the track. One of them was being changing, well, I needed to change my oil. So that's a given, but I also added a gallon of Redline lightweight race oil, which honestly, my transmission does feel like it's shifting a little bit better. My car only has 30,000 miles total, so it wasn't due for a change. The oil was fine being mixed. But I'm actually pretty happy with that, and I haven't had any issues right now with any slippage or anything testing. What I'm having issues with is I think the fueling and the tune is still off. If there's one thing I learned, is that no matter how much you think you know or how ready you think you are, there's always more to learn. There's always someone faster. There's always someone that'll catch you off guard, and there's always going to be that one day where somebody comes and just smokes the hell out of you with the simplest setup and makes you feel like you need to drop another couple grand on your car just to squeeze every bit of power out of your setup. All right, guys, help me out here. If you've had a humbling track experience, please drop a comment below and tell me your story. This is a safe space. I've shared mine. Now it's time for you to share yours. Have at it, guys. Hey, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share the content. There's more to come. I got tons of plans for the build. I got a lot of friends I'm making doing all of this, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you guys for coming back. Thank you guys for being supportive. I see you guys in the comments on my IG. I appreciate you. Please drop a follow on my IG accounts as well here, and make sure to follow ModsbyMax. Support my fuel kits, buy some merch. Much love. See you guys.